So we're going to do, this is actually the third demo video.
And remember that I'm little man.
You're a little man.
Uh-huh.
So we are going to test out this light. We're going to stick that on. And that's...
That?
I need to get that thing right. So,
Yep.
that is, it's easier to see the transition when I take it off. So this is with the lens on. That's, I just took the lens off. So with the lens on. You're such a ham. Okay, where's the switch? The switch is up here. And then...
Why do I burning my eyes?
Yeah, the light is burning. The light is burning the eyes.
My eyes. I can't see.
So that's back with the light off.
Yeah.
And it's the light on. So that's that. And then we have this unidirectional microphone that we're going to stick in.
The phone microphone.
Now it says we're recording with the ear mic. And so...
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is... so I don't know where the lens and the light were from. The box says Duo, and it was a gift from the Unicorn of Chaos, who very much wanted to see me do rant videos. So I'll have to do one of those one day. Don't stick your finger in my ear. And the microphone is from Best Buy. It's from a kit that I got at Best Buy. Yeah, don't stick your finger in my ear. So anyway, that's my test.